Alright, so let's just get straight on the matter without wasting any time. So, we all have different vocabularies, right? Like, we all have those different, like, list of words that we use in a daily basis. Let's suppose it's you and a random person which you don't know and they don't know you. You guys don't have any influence on each other and, like, no connection between them. So, you and this person have different vocabularies, the list of words that you guys use in daily basis. But some of the words are like the same, like the basic words. For example, good, bad, win, lose, ugly, pretty. Those are the simple, like basic words that we all basically use, like in a daily basis. Now, what if I tell you that the meaning of those basic words, like such basic, like just random, like basic words, are like different for different people with different mindset. And for other people, like with different mindset than you, they think of these kind of things in their perspective. So let's just talk about it. For example, let's suppose I ask 5 people from different parts of the world, or maybe the same part of the world, but they don't know each other, okay? So they don't have any influence on each other, and they don't have any connection between them. So I asked all of them, what is the meaning of win and what is the meaning of lose? Like, when do we call it winning and when do we call it losing in life, in game? So, what is the concept of these 2 words? I asked 5 of them that. So, 3 of them answer me back that win means when a person win in life, like the GOAT, like the greatest of all time. And everyone see them as like inspiration. Everyone want to be them, or just like see them as an inspiration. They go through so much hardship, and also luck is by their side, and they get whatever they want. So it's like winning in life. And what is losing? Losing means just average people, just live a very decent, normal life, just like not inspiration for other people, just like, and also like don't get whatever they want, unlucky, and like all those negative things that you can just like say. Those are like losing, like losers. Now, the the 2 other people that I asked the same question, what is win and lose, the 2 of them answer me back that winning means when people just notice you after losing hundreds and thousands of times. When people notice you, when people look at you and they say, damn, you're literally just won in life. But they didn't see the hardships. They know about the hardships, but they don't know that you lost more than a loser can ever lose in life, because they're afraid of losing. But winners are not afraid of losing. They lost multiple times. They lost more than a loser can ever lose, because like that's what is making them loser. That's what is loser. Like if you are talking about loser as a negative thing, then talk about like, just say that like they're scared of losing. That's why they keep on losing, and they don't like take it as a lesson. They just look at it as a negative thing. They look at it as like they're miserable, their life is miserable. They don't like think about positive things at all. But the winners, they also lost multiple times in life. And like they kept on losing, and after that they took lesson from that, and they made their mind like that. It's all about mindset. So they made their mind like that they're not scared of losing anymore until they made it and they won in life. And then people noticed them. Then people looked at them as inspiration, not when they were losing. So this is the ultimate concept of these 2 words. After that, I asked them, what is ugly and what is pretty? Like, what exactly you call ugly and what exactly you call pretty? 3 of them told me that ugly means just ugly, which is not pretty, and pretty means pretty, which everyone likes and everyone adores. Now, the 2 of them tell me something different, and I also agree with them. Listen, ever since we were born, we have been in this society. We have been surrounded by the society people, and we have been adapting from them whatever they're saying. Let's think about a baby. Like when we were babies, we all have been babies, like at some certain point of our life. They're dumb as, and they don't know anything. They adapt whatever they see in front of them. They adapt whatever they hear, and that's literally it. They don't know anything. They just adapt from their surroundings, adapt from their like surrounding people, and that's literally it. That's what is happening. And basically, we are all big, and we are all big babies. We're big, but still, society still kind of like, I mean, just convince us to think of things. We don't have any individuality. We don't have any individual thoughts. We just believe whatever society just tell us, and that's literally the result of this kind of things. Ugly, pretty. Let's suppose you have a book of 50 pages. We all have the same book of 50 pages, okay? Like all over the world, all of the people of the world have the same book of 50 pages. Now we read the book, all total book. Now we liked it so much. Now, the author that wrote the book is so, like really good. The book is so good. We are all so attached with the book that we can't move on. Now, the earth has literally billions of people, like 8 billion people. So like obviously some of them are gonna take other books and like experiment them. So they do. And they pick up other books with 100 or maybe 50 or other pages and like with other authors. And they read them, they love them. But they can't convince the other, like the huge amount of people who just don't want to move on, who just like are stuck in this one book. If they can't convince these people that like, you know what, you should just move on too. Like I get it that this book is good. Like I totally agree with you. Like I also think that this book is so good, the author is so good. Now we need to move on. Like we need to try different things. Now they don't agree with them. They'll be like, no, we're just okay with this book only. Like we love to read, like just read this book and that's it. But the people like who just moved on and like they are trying new things, they're trying new books, they get hated on for even trying. They get hated on for even trying new books with new authors. Why? Because that is making them uncomfortable. That is making them uncomfortable because like the only definition of like good in their head is this book only. Because like they have not even tried any other books, and they're judging just not even trying it, and they can't even they can't even stand the other people who are trying it, and they're trying to pull all of them down, and they're calling them ugly. That is the concept of ugly, literally bad, good, bad, whatever you call it, like all the negative things. That is the concept of every negative things. That is literally the concept of every negative thing. Like there's nothing negative that exists. Like the world was not made for like negative things. Like you're not supposed to see things as negatively. You're supposed to see things positively. Even in negative situations, as per the society, even in negative situations, you are supposed to think positively. That's how things are gonna work out for you. But like people just don't understand that. Like I'm telling you this, I am a loser. You are a loser, but you think of it as a negative thing. I think of it as a positive thing because like I'm not scared of losing. I lose every single fucking day. I learn from it. I just lose every single fucking day in different way, not in same fucking way. Like I learn from it so that it never happens, but like I again lose in something else. Then I'll again learn from it and it doesn't happen. So like every single day I'm getting a lesson and I'm learning from it. So I am proud to be a loser. Because like one day it's gonna stop and I'm gonna be a winner, and all the winners are losers, but all the losers are not winners. That's the concept of all the negative things. Just think about it. Just don't be negative. That's the point of like whatever I was trying to say. It was supposed to be positive. Like there's nothing negative in the world, and it all is in your head, in your mindset. It lies all in your mindset. Your success, the way that you want to be, the way you're gonna be, the way you already are, it's like all part of your mindset. it's a headquarter. Like, you're supposed to change it in case to change your life. Not like only giving efforts are gonna work out. You need to change your mindset. It's gonna change your entire fucking life. Like, you don't even have any idea what it can do. So do that. Think positively even in negative situations. There's nothing negative that exists. It's all in your head. That's it.